you can see how the prompt chaining works. So as I said, we will just start with a general prompt, right? By analyzing the first output from general prompt, we will refine. We will refine that the general prompt again, and we will iterate the based on the feedback. Feedback means the output from second step, that is refining. The output from refining output will be the feedback. After that, we will write some our conclusion prompt, which works well, which we can expect the great output from AI. Okay, I hope you understand. So let's see what is actually prompt chaining is in the ChatGPT to get better understanding it. So I am at the ChatGPT. So now what I am telling to you, instead of writing the uh, okay, I will take the example. You are you are experienced marketer. Okay, experienced marketer, especially in especially in uh, running campaigns, running social media campaigns. Now your task is to generate ad copy and sh- mm, social media post, right? Ad copy, social media post, add video, add content, target audience, target audience, budget recommendation. Let's take Facebook ads. For Facebook, for Facebook ads, for selling watch, digital watch, for men's only. So what will happen? I guide the AI. You are a experienced marketer, especially in running social media campaigns. Like we have some Google ads, Facebook ads like that. Social media means that will runs on the YouTube, all that if you know about digital marketing. So now your I guide the AI. Now your task is to generate ad copy. See, you can see here. Guide the AI to do in one time only, to do the all task, that is ad copy generation, social media post, video ad content, target audience, budget recommendation for Facebook ads, for selling digital watch for men's only. So what I have guided to AI is to do all these tasks at a one time, right? At one time. The AI will think it will generate the output based on our prompt. There is no problem in that. We'll see in that. We'll see the output here. What it will do, it will generate the output. There is good thing, right? You can see here add copy ideas, primary text, call to actions. This is the output from the first uh, uh, add copy only, add copy ideas. For example, you can see here it is a some not in deep, right? This output is not in deep, right? Why? The AI should generate the output for all these tasks. So it will generate only some uh, basic ones, not going deeper, not going specific. It will just throw the output uh, based on of our instructions. Simple. There is no deeping. There is no go in deeper. There is no in reasoning of output. So it will just throw the output which is related to our task. So it will maintaining the all these tasks at one time. It will generating output in one time, right? There is no specific in that. It will just writing some output related to our task. You can see here. But what if I tell AI with specific, like you are experienced marketer, especially in running social media campaigns. Now your task is to generate ad copy only. If I take this, Control plus C, let's see that. Okay, I will take like this. We'll just delete this. You can see now guide the AI. You are an experienced marketer, especially in running social media campaigns. That's great. Now your task is to generate ad copy. What I have done, so I have just guided AI to generate the specific application. But that is generate ad copy only. What AI will generate, it will go in deeper. It will generate more output rather than previous one. Then you can see here. We can see add a copy for men's digital watches. You can see the output here. There is a much coherent and precise output when compared to this one. You can see headline simple, it can stay ahead of time with our stylish digital watches. Primary text, it has given some call to action. Shop now or learn more. This is not effective as much, but when you see by guiding AI to generate for specific thing, it will generate the best output. You can see here headline stay ahead of time with the ultimate digital watch. Primary text is upgrade your wrist game with our sleek, durable, and tech packed men's digital watches. From workout tracking to smart notification, so it is good, right, when compared to previous one. We can see a limited time offer, save 20% when you are ordered today. Call to action, shop now and refine your style. It has given hashtag also digital watch. So you can see here effective output, the how effective this output when compared to this one, when we guided AI to do all the tasks at one time. I hope you understand. This is comes under the prompt chaining. Okay, this is a if you think this is a complex task to generate all the output of a task at a time, right? Instead of writing at one time, we can break down the task into sub task like if now we have generated for generate ad copy, right? Now we can do for second thing like social media post, right? If I click here, I will tell AI to suggest a social media post. Now we can see the output. Now you can see style it meets functionality, the ultimate digital watch for men. Why settle for less when you can have it all? So it have some great copyright, that is social media. So what will happen here? We can use these headlines for our social media post. This is effective, right? These are lines are effective when compared to previous one, and we have tell the AI to generate or to suggest some social media content. You can see here caption gear up. There is no reasoning in that. There is no some uh, specific output, precise output when compared to this one, like here, right? When this output is generated, when we guide AI to generate and to suggest some social media post as a specific application. I hope you understand. So that's why instead of writing a prompt all task to do AI at a time, we will break down each and everything to get precise and coherent results. Okay, this is a simple example I have explained you, but you can use in so many ways to get output from AI. Even you can tell to AI, let's see, if you want to write prompt at a time, so you can use some prompt patterns that we have already I explained you. Can use like that. So I will tell you, I will tell you which task, which task should be done first. Then you then you need to proceed. You need to proceed. Okay. Then last at the end of the prompt, I will use ask me for input prompt pattern as we are earlier discussed about that. Right. So ask me for which task you want to generate. What it happens means, let's see the output of this prompt. Then you can see here, instead of uh, going to write different prompt for repetitive task like we have done like it here. So first we have write the all task at a time. We have seen this, the content is good but not effective and deep, right? When decided to write the prompt for each and every task specifically, the output is good when compared to previous one, right? You have we have already seen that, right? So this process will make and repetitive, right? So I have to write for the to generate ad copy one time, another time I have to write prompt for social media post. There will be the some repetitive work, right? Instead of that, I will guide AI like this. I will write whole prompt. After the last one, I will tell AI to, I will tell you which task should be done first. Then you need to proceed. Ask me for which task you want to generate. What will happen here? The task are stopped up to when I tell to AI, start with this. What will happen? So in the input, I will tell AI to generate ad copy that is specific. Then it will generate the most precise coherent result. There we have seen here like this for specific done here. So after giving I input like generate add copy, I given the input here for specific use case like generate add copy. So what will happen here? It will generate a add copy. You can see here add copy to, yeah, experience the perfect blend of style and technology. Elevate your look with our men's digital watches designed for modern who present elegance ahead of time. Shop now, 28% off. So it generated some three ad copies, right? So we can write like here. We can train AI generate ad copy which have one. Okay, we can write like directly here. Generate one ad copy which have high converting words and grab attention. What will happen here? We have additionally added some instructions here. Generate one ad copy only which have some high converting words and grab attention. You can see here the ad copy which is very effective when compared to previous one, right? So we can use all those things to reduce some repetitive work, right? Instead of writing the prompt again and again, we can tell to AI, we can guide AI. I will tell you which task should be done first. Then you need to proceed. So ask me for which task you want to generate. right? So it will ask me, so I will just give in the input here, generate ad copy. The AI will automatically generate ad copy related to our product. This is a simple example, and these instructions are not effective because I have just uh, used some to explain you some basic example. When you practice ex- uh, with your prompt patterns or requirements, you will write the best prompt instructions, then it will generate the best output, right? What my intention is here to explain you the possibilities of writing prompts in different ways, in multiple ways, in multiple thinking patterns, right? You can use this all these prompt patterns, right? So this is a prompt chaining about that. So instead of writing a single prompt for a complex task, we break down the task. Okay, we break to get the precise and coherent results instead of getting all the output for all tasks in what at one time. Like we have seen the first one output here, there is no effective in that, or there is no much deeper output. When we use to generate some specific use cases, you can see the add copy for digital add a copy only to generate add a copy as a specific, it you can see the best output from the AI when compared to previous one, right? To okay, the complex task have some so many sub tasks. So instead of writing uh, prompt for every time to do some specific task, we will just write a prompt, okay, which will automatically ask which task subtask you need to go first. Then we will provide input, like here we have done generate add copy, it will automatically generate a add a copy for us. It is a simple output, a simple question I have tell in to AI. So when you practice with that, you will get the some idea about how this prompt chaining works, right? So see, this will works in ChatGPT and cloud, right? So in sometimes Gemini and perplexity.ai, there is no this functionality like prompt chaining. So we have to know some capabilities and pros and cons of LLMs like ChatGPT, Cloud, Gemini, and perplexity.ai and other AI models before we select to solve our task. Okay, before we select AI language models to uh, solve our complex problems. Why? So the ChatGPT have some great functionality like prompt chaining, okay, following the pattern, following the previous one without breaking the chain. So you can see the memory update here. It is a very good option in the ChatGPT that we have, which makes the apart from which makes better apart from other AI language models like Gemini.ai, Cloud, and Perplexity.ai. ChatGPT have some great functionalities, so don't worry about that. We have our next model that is about understanding different LLMs capabilities, pros and cons, and which AI language model we have to use to solve particular task. Okay, we will see in that model, right? So just focus on this prompt chaining. So I hope you understand this prompt chaining clearly. So up to this prompt chaining is over. Okay, this over, let's go to our prompt engineering applications where we see how to write the prompts for different use cases like marketing copy and coding, generate code, okay, for creative writing, and how we will write for a customer support, how we will use ChatGPT and AI language models to generate image prompts in which we can use these image prompts and other AI image generators like Leonardo AI, Lexica.ai, and we have some other mid journey in which we can get some result from that language models also in the form of image. We will see how to use the AI language models like ChatGPT to write the best prompt for our use cases, right? Even the ChatGPT can generate a best prompt rather than us. Yeah, it is right. So instead of okay, so we will see all those things in this chapter. Let's dive into that.